Imagine this. A 31-year-old builds an AI search engine, and suddenly he's a billionaire. One solo founder sits at home, no employees, and his AI software quietly brings in around $167,000 every month. A faceless YouTuber uploads cafe sounds and fireplace videos made with AI, and those boring videos pay more than a 9-to-5. And a young creator uses AI as her digital team and scales her business to about $100,000 a month. None of them won the lottery. None of them are movie stars. They leveraged one thing: AI as a money multiplier. Stay with me because I'm going to tell you the stories of 4 real people who got rich with AI. And more important than their stories, I'll show you the exact patterns you can copy, even if you're starting from zero. And the best part, you don't need permission, you don't need investors, and you definitely don't need to be a genius. Let's start with the 31-year-old who decided that competing with Google actually made sense. Story 1, the AI search billionaire. Most people look at Google and say, too big, too powerful. I could never compete with that. Aravind Srinivas looked at Google and saw a weakness. He saw that traditional search was noisy. 10 blue links, ads everywhere, SEO spam, click this, open that, scroll here. People didn't want links anymore. They wanted answers. So he co-founded an AI search engine called Perplexity. Instead of showing you 20 links and wasting your time, Perplexity gives you a direct answer, plus the sources, plus the ability to ask follow-up questions, like you're chatting with an expert. He didn't just build a cool AI toy. He attacked a core daily habit of billions of people, searching for information. The result? Perplexity explodes in users. Investors from all over the world jump in. And Aravind becomes one of the youngest AI billionaires on the planet, not because he made the flashiest TikTok filter, but because he used AI to fix a painful problem that everyone already had. Now here's the part people miss. He didn't start by asking, how can I get rich with AI? He started by asking, where are people wasting time and getting frustrated every day? And how can AI solve that better? Your move from this story. You don't have to build the next Google, but you can ask the same question. Newcomers, where are people drowning in information and options? Where are they clicking 10 times to do something that should take 1 click? Where are they doing a task manually that an AI could do faster, clearer, or cheaper? Maybe it's in real estate leads. Maybe it's in editing videos. Maybe it's in customer support for small businesses in your country. Arvind's story is proof. If you use AI to fix a huge, annoying problem, money chases you. Story 2. The one-man AI SaaS printing $167K per month. Dominic, Adaptify. 4-7. Our second story is the opposite of a big, flashy startup. No giant office, no army of engineers, just one guy and a laptop. Dominic is the solo founder behind an AI tool called Adaptify. It's an SEO automation platform. Let me translate that into normal language. Marketing agencies used to spend hours and hours when boring tasks like keyword research, content outlines, and reports. Repetitive, painful, and expensive work. Dominic looked at that and thought, wait, AI can do a huge part of this work automatically. What if I build a tool that does it for agencies and they just pay a subscription? So he combined AI models with his own code and created a platform. Instead of hiring junior employees to do manual SEO work, agencies pay Adaptify every month, and the tool does a big chunk of the heavy lifting. Ideas, drafts, optimization, reports. He didn't build AI art or funny chatbots. He built something that makes businesses more money and saves them time. And guess what? In less than 2 years, Adaptify grows to around $2 million per year in recurring revenue. That's about $167,000 every single month, run by a solo founder. No boss, no clock in, clock out, just code, customers, and AI. Your move from this story. You may not be a programmer, but the pattern is simple. Find boring, repetitive work that businesses hate doing. Ask who's 70% of this faster and cheaper? Package that into a service or a simple product. You don't even need to start as a full SaaS tool like Dominic did. You can start as an agency that uses AI in the background. For example, haircut, blog content using my AI-powered system. I'll manage your YouTube titles, descriptions, and scripts with AI tools. I'll automate your customer replies, FAQs, and lead follow-ups with AI. Charge a monthly fee. Use AI to do the heavy lifting. You become the bridge between confused businesses and powerful AI. Dominic's story proves something crucial. In the AI era, one person with the right system can earn what used to require an entire team. Story 4. The creator who uses AI as a 10-person team, Isabella Cotsias. Our last story is about someone who does show her face, but she doesn't rely on hustle alone. Isabella runs an online business teaching mindset and business, selling digital products, coaching, and programs. Her income? Around $100,000 per month. Now that kind of revenue used to require deepinitsa, industry editors, social media managers, phone marketers, designers. But Isabella does something smarter. She uses AI as her digital team. AI helps her draft emails and sales pages, social media posts, generate content ideas, outlines for her programs, repurpose one piece of content across multiple platforms. She still brings the strategy, the voice, the energy, but AI handles a massive chunk of the repetitive writing and planning. Roughly a quarter of her workload is offloaded to AI. That means more time to focus on offers, community, and selling, and less time stuck staring at a blank screen. The result? She sales faster. She launches more often. She shows up consistently without burning out. Your move from this story? Even if you're not making content yet, this is the mindset shift. Stop seeing AI as a toy. Start seeing it as employees you don't pay a salary. Imagine this. ChatGPT becomes your copywriter. Another tool becomes your video editor assistant. Another becomes your thumbnail designer assistant. Another becomes your idea generator for reels, emails, and scripts. You're still the CEO. You approve. You refine. You record. But AI removes the friction that keeps most people stuck at, "I'll start someday." Isabella's story proves that when you combine clear offers, relentless publishing, AI leveraged as a team, you can grow much faster than a traditional solo creator. Final lessons, 12:30 to 14:30. 4 stories, 4 very different paths. Billionaire who used AI to fix how we search for information. A solo founder whose AI SaaS brings in around $167,000 a month. A faceless YouTuber turning AI ambience videos into a full-time income. Creations scaling to $100,000 a month by treating AI like a 10-person team. But look closely. They all follow the same 3 principles. They solve a real problem. Confusing search, clear answers. Manual SEO, automated workflows. Need for focus ambience, endless relaxing videos. Need for content and marketing, AI-assisted creation. As leverage, not a gimmick. They don't just play with AI. They plug it into systems that create money. Video hosting, ad revenue, digital products, services. They picked a lane and committed. None of these results happened in a week. They chose a problem, built around it, improved constantly, and let time and consistency and AI do the compounding. Closing call to action. So, here's the real question. In your life, right now, what is one problem you see over and over again that AI could help solve? Is it content? Is it leads? Is it editing? Is it organization? Is it marketing? Pick one lane. Use AI not as a shortcut to avoid work, but as fuel to multiply the work you're willing to do. If you want more videos where I break down exactly how to use AI to build income streams and escape the normal money trap, hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and tell me in the comments, which story do you want me to break down step by step in the next video? Because the next person who gets rich with AI doesn't have to be them. It can be you.